Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Fandango app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. Now, once you open up the application, simply tap on the search box and then type in Fandango. Now just go ahead and start the search, and once you find the Fandango application, you will also see the install button. Go ahead and click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Fandango app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open it up. And now, once the application is opened up, you can continue with signing into your existing account or registering for a new account to start using the Fandango app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Fandango application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.